with devils. I'm a rebel. Big city got bitch, I got several. Bitch, I fuck with devils.
Hello, what's up guys? I'm Nikki and you are watching Technical Nikki YouTube channel. So welcome to another tutorial, and in this video we will discuss about strcat function. Okay, and the second other function is strcmp function. So let's get start this video without wasting any time. So please keep your eyes on this video without until the end without skipping any moment of the video. So let's start it. So this function combine the first string or the second. You can combine the both at the end of the other string. For example, if you have the first string hey and the second is what's up guys, after the combination it would result into a string that like that, hey what's up guys. So its syntax is available on my display. If you have characters, string 1 that is subscribe and the second one is my channel, and if you you have to increase this length because the character length of the both combination of both string is go far from this limit. Okay, and after combination it will looks like that: str equal to str1 equal to subscribe and the str2 equal to subscribe my channel. So let's write a program for strcat. So as you can see, I've already write or typed this program because it took some time. So in this program, let me explain what is happening. Let me first execute this program. So now you can see name 1 string equal to Nikki Mickey and the string 2 is Mickey. In the strcat function, you have to enter the string in which you want to combine the second string. If you enter the here second string first and here first string, now it this text combined into the second string. Okay, as you can see Nikki Mickey Nikki. Okay, and that is a simple function from here to here. And in this function you have to you can make the both string into a one. In other words, you can say it is used to combine the both strings into the one. Okay, so this function strcat is used to combine them, and here you can type the which name you which strings name you type first. This combine the second string into the this one. Okay, and here name 1 string equal to %s for the string.h header file or this string function, and this lesson and print the name 1 and like that name 2. Okay, so this is the use of strcat function. Okay, if you decrease its length 10, then it didn't print this one Nikki Mickey. Okay, let's count it: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, and these one character is only left, so it prints only this one and can't print this 10 characters. Okay, so increase its length and now it prints everything Nikki Mickey. That's great. Okay, so let's learn about the second function, that is strcmp. It means string comparison. So this function is used to compare two strings and find out whether they are same or different. Like that, if you have two strings like Nikki and Mickey, so it will differentiate out between these two strings what is the difference between these two strings. Okay, so let's write a program for this. So first let me make this program dead, and after that I have already typed it. Okay, now you can see that is the simple header files, and from here I have the same strings like one, but that is the different. I have put the three variables I, j, k. Okay, and the I equal to I is equal to strcmp, it means string compares name1 and the Nikki. And for the first call of this function is no difference, it prints 0 because the Nikki one is also name1 is also Nikki and the Nikki is also name1, so there is no difference. And the j equal to strcmp name1 equal to name2, it means name1 equal to Nikki and the name2 equal to Mickey. It means these the first character of the both strings are different and the after everything is same, like Mickey. Okay, wait, IKKY is same in the both strings. Okay, and here I have printed these three variables, so let's check its output. Okay, that's great. What happened? Okay, so let's run this again. 0 1 and the -1. Okay, so why it prints -1? Here name1 equal to Nikki boy. Okay, here name1 equal to name1 equal to Nikki, and in the string I have typed Nikki boy. So okay, let me explain it from the first function. In the first call of strcmp, the two strings are identical, Nikki and the Nikki, because the name1 is also Nikki and the Nikki is also name1. Okay, and the value returned by strcmp is 0. In the second call of this, the first character of Nikki doesn't match with the first character of Mickey, and the result is 1, which is the numeric difference between ASCII value of the ASCII value of f. Okay, m and n. So that is the different here, name1 n and the name2 m, this function. Okay, and the third call of the strcmp, and the Nikki doesn't match with the Nikki boy because the null character at the end of Nikki doesn't match the blank in Nikki boy. It means like that blank, this blank space Nikki boy, the value returns -1, which is the value of null character, minus at the ASCII value of space. Okay, that is the -1 of the null character, so it prints -1. So I hope you understand all this stuff in the string, understand everything in the functions, and the string is finished in the C language. So thank you guys, thanks for watching. If you have any problem, please comment me down, I will reply you for solve your query or any inquiry. So please show your love by subscribing my channel and also hit the like button. And thanks for watching guys, so I will see you again in the next tutorial. So bye bye.